Morning, students. How are you? Yes, you all are fine. I am also fine. So, dear students, let's have a fun by reciting the rhyme. Two hands go. Everyone, please stand up and ready for this rhyme. Okay? Start. 1, 2, 3. 2 hands go, clap, clap, clap. 2 feet go, tap, tap, tap. 2 eyes are open wide. 1 head goes side to side. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3. 2 hands go, clap, clap, clap. 2 feet go, tap, tap, tap. 2 eyes are open wide. 1 head goes side to side. Thank you. I think you do very well. Thank you for this cooperation. তোমাদের সহযোগিতার জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ. Now, dear students, I have a what? Okay, you see. I think all of you know it. What is this? Yeah, you are right. This is a calendar. কিন্তু তোমরা একটু ভালো করে দেখো তো, ক্যালেন্ডারটা কি অন্য ক্যালেন্ডারের মতো? এখানে একটি ছবি দেখা যাচ্ছে, তাই না? এটা কিন্তু তোমাদের মতো একজন বন্ধু দ্বারাই আঁকা, সেটা দিয়ে আমাদের এই ক্যালেন্ডারটা তৈরি করা। তাহলে এখন যে বিষয়টা আমরা দেখব, বলো দেখি, এই যে ক্যালেন্ডার থেকে হোয়াট ক্যান উই গেট? ক্যালেন্ডার থেকে আমরা কি কি পেয়ে থাকি? আচ্ছা, একটু চিন্তা করি। হ্যাঁ, বুঝতে পেরেছো তোমরা হয়তো। কি পেয়ে থাকি? মাস, মান্থ, তারিখ, ডেট এন্ড হোয়াট? হ্যাঁ, ইউ আর রাইট, ডেট। তো here are how many days in the calendar? You please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many days? 7. What are they? Okay. Before this, at first you say, what day is today? What day is today? তোমরা কিন্তু বাংলাও বলতে পারো। আজকে কোন দিন? It's Sunday. তাহলে বলো তো বাংলায় আমরা এটাকে কি বলি? হ্যাঁ, বাংলায় বলি রবিবার। আমরা একটা কাজ করি, বাংলায় আগে বলে ফেলি, বলো তো। শনিবার, রবিবার, সোমবার, মঙ্গলবার, বুধবার, বৃহস্পতিবার, শুক্রবার, শেষ কয়দিন হলো? 7 দিন। তাহলে এই 7 দিনের মধ্যে টুডে ইজ সানডে। ইউ আর রাইট। সো আমরা একবার ইংলিশে বলে ফেলি। স্যাটারডে, সানডে, মানডে, টুয়েসডে, ওয়েডনেসডে, থার্সডে, ফ্রাইডে। ভেরি গুড। তাহলে তোমরা তো বুঝতেই পারছো হোয়াট লেসন ইজ টুডে? টুডেস লেসন ইজ today's lesson is days of the week. Thank you. তোমরা অনেক সুন্দর পেরেছো মনে হয়, তোমরা বুঝতেও পারছো। Today's lesson is days of the week. Okay. Again say days of the week. Thank you all of you. Dear students, at first I want to say welcome. So, welcome in my class. Class 2. And also it's English class. It's the English class of class 2. English for today, class 2. Farjana Mijan Joy, assistant teacher, Dokhin Harikari Primary School, Shador, Banat. Thank you. So, dear students, watch another rhyme on what I can't say now. আমি এখন কিন্তু বলবো না. At first you watch this video, then I ask some questions. Okay? So please enjoy this video. Now I ask you questions. এখন তোমাদের একটি প্রশ্ন করব. You watch this video. What's about this video? What's? Yeah, please think 1 minute. What's about this video? Yes, I think you are right. You understand. This video is on 7 days of the week. Yeah. So next, I want to request you take your textbook. English for Today class 2 and open your book at page 26. Open your book at page 26. I think everyone open your page at page 26. Please quick. Open your book at page 26. Please show me. Yeah, I think you can do. Thank you. Now you look at this. Here is your textbook 20, page number 26 and activity 8. Even unit 30. So here are you see that here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many days? Yes, 7 days. You are right. There are 7 days. So you please say after me. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So please again say with me. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So please spell with me. আমার সাথে বানান করে পড়ো. S is sa, T U R tar, D A Y day. Saturday. S U N sun, D A Y day. Sunday. M O N mon, D A Y day. Monday. T U E S D A Y day. What? Wednesday. Thank you everyone. Now next, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S, Wednesday. D-A-Y day. Wednesday. Next, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S, Thursday. D-A-Y day. Thursday. F-R-I, Friday. D-A-Y day. What? Friday. Yeah, I think you can say with me and you can understand what are these? Yeah, these are 7 days of the week. These are 7 days of the week. Thank you all. Now please, you know that is a interesting train. Why is it interesting? You watch. Why? The train is very interesting. You observe this train and I ask you then why is it interesting? কেন ট্রেনটি মজাদার, কেন ট্রেনটি ফান, এটা আমরা একটু পরে ভিডিওটি ওয়াচ করো, তারপর তোমাদের কাছ থেকে জিজ্ঞেস করব why is it so interesting. Okay, so dear students, please observe this.
Days of the week. Sunday. Monday.
is interesting train. Why is it interesting? This train carries 7 days of the week. এই ট্রেনটি তোমাদের জন্য 7টা দিন নিয়ে এসেছে। আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি you can understand the 7 days and you can read out and say the 7 days: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, dear students, now I show some 7 days of the week. I think you can understand and you can read out by see these days of the week. So, at first I show you. What is this? You please say, what is this? And say, yeah, I think you are right. This is what? Yeah, Saturday. Thank you. This is Saturday. Please say after me. Saturday. Okay. Saturday. Now say with me. Saturday. Again. Saturday. Okay. Thank you. Next one. You guess what is the day? Next Saturday. You please think. What is the day? Yeah, I think you are right. This is what? What is this? What is this? Yeah, you are right. This is Sunday. This is Sunday. You please say after me. Sunday. Okay, again, Sunday. And now say with me. Sunday. Again, Sunday. Now you please everyone say with me. Sunday. Thank you. So, now you think, what is the next day after Sunday? Please, Sunday after Sunday পরের দিনটি কি? Please think. Yeah, I think you can say. What is the next day? Yes, you all are right. This is what? Monday. This is Monday. Please say after me. Monday. Monday. And say with me. Monday. Please say after me. Monday. Okay. So this is Monday. Okay. Thank you. Next. What is the next? Monday after what? Yeah. You think it is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. So say after me. Tuesday. Tuesday. And say with me. Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday. So say after me. Tuesday. And say with me. Tuesday. Thank you. Now, you think you have already learned what? Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. So, what is the next day after Tuesday? You please think. Yeah, I think you can guess. Next day, what? Wednesday. Next day, Wednesday. So, say after me. Wednesday. Wednesday. And say with me. Wednesday. Wednesday. Please say again. Wednesday. So please now. What is the next? Wednesday after? What is the day? Next. What? Please think. Now see. What is the next day? Yeah. Thursday. So, this is Thursday. And say after me. Thursday. Yes. All of you say after me. Thursday. Yes. And say with me. Thursday. Thursday. Please say with me. Thursday. Okay. Thank you. Next. here is only last one. What is the day? You please think. একটি মাত্র দিন তোমাদের জন্য রয়েছে, সেই দিনটি কি বলো তো? বাহ, চিন্তা করো, think please. What is the day? Yes, this I think you can say and you all are right. This is what? Yes. What is this? This is Friday. Okay. Say after me, Friday. Friday. Say with me, Friday. Friday. Thank you. Thank you everyone. I think you have already understood. 7 days of the week, you can say, you can read out. But dear students, now I say how many days are there in a week? You know? Yeah, I think you can understand. There are 7 days in a week. So, dear students, I have a interesting chart. Do you want to see? Okay. Now, you please look at this. You have already known that today is what? Today is Sunday. So, what is this? Today is Sunday. You are right. তোমরা যদি ইমাজিন করো, অর্থাৎ তোমরা যদি কল্পনা করো যে আজকে সানডে না, আজকে মানডে। So, you please, today is what? Yes, today is Monday. So, in this way, we can say another day. Today is Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Thursday. And today is Friday. We're right. So, we can here, you please, I ask, you say, where is Monday? You say, today is Monday. Where, you please? Okay, I help you. Yeah, yes. Today is Monday. Now, I say, today is Friday. You please show me. Okay, yes. Yeah, today is Friday. Okay. Now I ask you to say Wednesday, please. Where? Yes. You point out. This is Wednesday. So please. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Okay. Now you please. Where is Sunday? You please. What is this? Yeah. Today is Sunday. So, thank you. I think you can do very well. So, now I say the name of these 7 days in order. So, please say with me. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Again, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's interesting? Yeah. I think you enjoy this chart and you have fun. Okay. So, last one. You please say with me. What is this? Saturday. This is Sunday. This is Monday. Thank you. This is what? Yeah. Tuesday. This is right. Wednesday. This is Thursday. And this is Friday. Thank you. Now I ask you, what is this? Yeah, I think you are right. This is Tuesday. Okay. What is this? Yeah, this is Friday. What is this? Yeah, Wednesday. Everyone, very good. Well done. You all of you are so very well. Do very well and excellent job. Thank you so much. Now, dear students, I want to play a game with you. Do you want to play with me? Okay. It's a guessing game. এই যে গেমটি আমরা খেলবো এই গেমটির নাম হচ্ছে গেসিং গেম। গেস করা, গেস মানে কি অনুমান করা। অর্থাৎ আমি তোমার সামনে একটি কার্ড আনবো, এই কার্ডে তোমার এই 7টি দিনের নাম লেখা থাকবে। যে কোনো একটি দিন আমি উঠাবো, তোমাদেরকে গেস করতে হবে, অনুমান করতে হবে যে এখানে কোন দিনটির নাম লেখা আছে। ঠিক আছে, তোমরা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো খেলাটি? খেলাটির নাম হচ্ছে গেসিং গেম। আমি একটি কার্ড তুলবো, জিজ্ঞেস করবো হুইচ ডে ইজ ইট, ইউ থিঙ্ক এন্ড সে। ওকে, স্টার্ট প্লিজ। এভরিওয়ান রেডি ফর দিস গেম? রেডি? থ্যাংক ইউ। সো প্লিজ think, which day is it? It may be what? Yeah, I think you understand. Okay, so I show you, please. See, what is this? Yeah, you can understand? Can you understand? Okay, this is, yes, Friday. Thank you. This is Friday. Thank you. Well done. Next. Please. What? Yeah, Sunday. So at first you say after me, please. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Thank you. So, dear students, I think you have done very well. I have to say you a big thanks. So thank you. It's an excellent job and you have done very well. So I have to say goodbye. Before going to goodbye, then I say you and I give you homework. You please do this again and again. You read out these 7 days of the week and exercise again and again. Say thank you. But before going to say goodbye, I want to sing goodbye song. Okay? So please, everyone ready for this goodbye song? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time go away. Goodbye, goodbye, I wish you a good day again. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time go